Making a big splash. Dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that's as vivid as it is popular. Making a big splash. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and explore the depths of this fascinating idiom together. When we hear the phrase, making a big splash, it might conjure up images of literally jumping into water, creating a large wave or splash. However, in the English language, this phrase is used metaphorically to describe making a strong impression or having a significant impact on something or someone. It's often used in contexts where someone gains a lot of attention or recognition quickly. The idiom, making a big splash, has its roots in the visual and immediate impact of something hitting the water, causing water to splash everywhere. This visual effect is a perfect metaphor for the sudden and noticeable impact that someone or something can have in other contexts, such as the media, the arts, or any public arena. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the business world, the startup made a big splash in the tech industry with its innovative app. In entertainment, the new singer made a big splash on the music scene with her debut album. Personal achievements: he made a big splash at the conference with his groundbreaking research presentation. These examples show that making a big splash can be used in various situations, emphasizing the significant and immediate impact of actions or achievements. When using making a big splash, it's important to contextualize it with achievements or actions that are truly impactful. It's not for everyday occurrences but for moments that stand out. Pair it with descriptive details about why the action or achievement was significant, to give your listeners or readers a complete picture. And there you have it, folks. Making a big splash is all about creating a significant impact and getting noticed. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is an adventure, and idioms like these add color and depth to our expressions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to making more splashes with you in the world of English language learning.